Hey, how's it going? Thank you very much for clicking in this video. My name is Lucas, and I was talking with William about this video that I put together for you guys of three things that I found on your website that you can implement really easily so you can start building Lars Remodel and Miramar Kitchen and Bath. As you see, when you look, for example, for San Diego Kitchen Remodel, these guys show at the very top of the results on Google here and here. So they're getting the lion's share of the business. But if you fix these three things that I'm going to tell you about, you'll be beating them and getting those first spots in no time. You may wonder why I even made this video for you, and the answer is simple. I like to make these educational videos for business owners because I know they're really busy taking care of their business and their customers, so they don't really have time to learn how to use the internet bring them more business. Also, when it comes to hire somebody to do that for you, it's really hard to tell who's an expert and who's not. So I like, as I said, to make these free educational videos for business owners and send it to them so they have all the information. And a lot of them, they like to take it and put it in action themselves. But some of them call me and they have me helping them or doing it for them. The other option is okay with me. I just do this before because my passion. And and yeah, if you want me to help you get in there, just give me a call if you like what you see in the video, or send me an email, and I'll be more than happy to help you. That said, let's start with the video. I want to tell you about the three main things that the Google search engine uses in order to rank a website at the very top. These are content, backlinks, and citations. As you can imagine, content is everything that is in your website. Okay, all the text, pictures, also all the what is behind the pictures and how the pictures are saved as. You see, you have about 200 words of content in your front page. For example, one of your competitors, Lars Remodel, they have way more content and way more pictures, okay? Usually Google, in the pages, in the websites that they rank at the very top, they like to see about 2,000 words of keyword rich content. All right, that means that you don't want just any content. You want to put some keywords in it. A keyword is basically the terms that people are looking up the most regarding the services that you provide. All right, so you want to see San Diego kitchen remodeling, remodeling companies in San Diego, builders in San Diego, etc., etc. You search which ones are the most searched by the customers in your area regarding the services that you provide, and you drop them several times within that content in order for Google to be able to find you when they look it up. Second thing is backlinks. A backlink is basically a link on another website that when you click in it, it takes you back over here to your website. And that works kind of like a popularity contest. Google loves to see a bunch of relevant websites, basically, vouching for you. And you can get a backlink for any kind of website. For example, a website that talks about fashion or food is completely valid, but they're not as strong and powerful on the eyes of Google as if another building company, another builders, or remodeling company, or construction company gives you those backlinks. Okay, they always want to see companies within the same niche giving you the backlinks and the trust. That's what is going to make you jump all the way to the first result together with the content, right? How you check the backlinks? We use a tool called Ahrefs. Here, as you see, when I put your website, I see that you have 7 referring domains, and this means that there's 7 websites out there that somewhere in the website they have a link, and when I click on it, it takes me back over here. As you see, your competition, Larger Model has 74, and Miramar Kitchen and Bath has 38. These guys have really strong backlinks, so what you can do in order to beat them is you go to the referring domains and you just copy them. If they're good for them, they're also good for you. So you go through every single one of these websites, you make a profile, and you drop a link to your website on that profile. That way, once you're done, you'll be matching them, but you don't want to just match them. You want to beat them. So you add some more on top at the end, you'll be securing this spot with no problem. Last thing I want to talk about is how you get over here on the top of the map, and this is with citations. This is something that you can do completely for free, and as you can probably imagine already, it's about getting more citations than your competitor. Basically, a citation is your business information listed in several directories throughout the web. Directories like Facebook, Yelp, Yellow Pages, White Pages, etc. Okay, and what you do is you use any tool to check citations that are out there. You check how many citations your main competitor, or basically the top competitor, has right now, and you put at least, I would say, 100 more. That way, you make really hard for them to catch up with you when they realize that you stole that first spot. For example, if they have 150, I would probably go for like 300. All right. So that's it. Let's make a little recap. 2,000 words of keyword-rich content on your front page. Then you want build a strong, healthy backlink profile that you can start doing by copying your competition, all right? And then adding some more on top. And last but not least, the citations. Just build about 100 more than your competitor, and you'll be all right to rank at the very top of Google, okay? If you're interested in this, I would recommend you to start as soon as possible, since implementing all this takes some time, and the sooner you're done, the sooner your phone will be blowing up. If you like the video and you want me to help you get in there, just give me a call or send me an email so we can chat. But if you want to take all this information and implement it yourself, please do and put it in action as soon as possible. Thank you for watching. And if you can give me a little feedback of what you think about the video, that would really help me. I make these things for free, and the feedback means a lot to me. Thank you very much again, and have a great one.